Welcome to Praiano, a charming town located on the Amalfi Coast in the Campania region of southern Italy. This small town is home to a population of just over 2,000 people and is a popular destination for tourists seeking a more laid-back atmosphere than the neighboring towns of Amalfi and Positano. Praiano is located in a stunning region of Italy, surrounded by dramatic cliffs, crystal-clear waters, and picturesque towns. The Campania region is known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and delicious cuisine, and Praiano is no exception. The town of Praiano is situated on the Amalfi Coast, between the towns of Amalfi and Positano. The town's location makes it a convenient base for exploring the region, with easy access to the beautiful beaches and charming towns of the coast. The town itself is perched on a hillside, providing stunning views of the sea and surrounding landscapes. The temperatures in Praiano vary depending on the time of year, but the region enjoys a Mediterranean climate with mild winters and warm summers. The summer months are the most popular time to visit Praiano, with average temperatures ranging from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. The shorter seasons of spring and fall offer pleasant temperatures for outdoor activities and are also a great time to avoid the crowds. Praiano is steeped in history and heritage, with several landmarks and buildings that reflect its rich past. One of the most notable landmarks is the Church of San Gennaro, a beautiful 16th-century church that sits on a hill overlooking the town. The church features stunning frescoes and artwork, as well as a peaceful cloister that provides a serene escape from the bustling town. The style of homes in Praiano is distinctly Mediterranean, with whitewashed buildings and brightly colored shutters. The homes are often built into the hillside, providing spectacular views of the sea and surrounding landscape. Many of the homes also feature beautiful gardens and terraces, perfect for enjoying the warm Mediterranean climate. The homes in Praiano are typically made of stone, with ceramic tiles and wrought iron details. The traditional architecture of the homes adds to the town's charm and reflects its history and heritage. Praiano is a popular destination for tourists, but the town manages to maintain its laid-back, authentic atmosphere. The town is popular with those seeking a more relaxed pace of life, with plenty of opportunities for swimming, hiking, and exploring the beautiful surroundings. Visitors can also enjoy the delicious local cuisine, including fresh seafood, pasta, and locally produced wines. The people of Praiano are friendly and welcoming, reflecting the town's warm and welcoming atmosphere. The town has a strong sense of community, with several events and festivals throughout the year that bring locals and visitors together. The surrounding area of Praiano is also worth exploring, with several charming towns and villages nearby. The nearby towns of Amalfi and Positano offer bustling streets, designer shops, and beautiful beaches, while the quieter towns of Ravello and Atrani offer a more peaceful escape. In conclusion, Praiano is a hidden gem on the Amalfi Coast, offering stunning views, rich history, delicious cuisine, and a laid-back atmosphere. Whether you're looking for a relaxing vacation or an opportunity to explore the rich culture of southern Italy, Praiano has something to offer everyone. Thank you for taking this journey with me throughout all of Italy and Sicily. Please be sure to leave a like, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. God bless, grazie and ciao.